DELMIA's Made for Lean compliance solution delivers consistent quality, material synchronization, and manufacturing operations management across regulated plant and global manufacturing operations for medical device manufacturers. Taking control of quality across global operations helps reduce the risk of non-compliance, assuring brand consistency while driving operational performance. Now, these highly regulated industries can scale up complex new product introductions efficiently, support compliance standards, and provide traceable execution against approved device master records. The Made for Lean compliance solution provides synchronized delivery of electronic work instructions, integrated inline error proofing, and comprehensive traceability support, helping to expedite root cause analysis and support of UDI initiatives. This uniform platform is a powerful tool for manufacturing governance, while at the same time, its flexibility allows for rapid adoption of regulatory mandates and continuous improvement initiatives. Regulated manufacturers are now able to precisely and uniformly manage all operational elements within and across plants, realizing consistent product quality and lean operational excellence. DELMIA's Made for Lean compliance solution drives efficiencies for upscale, paperless EDHR and quality reporting and continuous lean improvement operations initiatives. Manufacturers can manage their suppliers, optimize plant assets, personnel, and quality control to yield conforming products with genealogy to device master records, regardless of plant location.